Leetcode Biweekly context, question number 2, which is also a medium problem, 3737. Count subarrays with majority element 1. So I will go with brute force. By brute force, I mean I'm going to go through all the subarrays within this given numbers. But there's one more thing I'm gonna use, will be the prefix sum, by which I mean if we can pre-counting the, or not pre-sum, pre-counting. If we can count the number of 2 for each subarray, start from the beginning. Say for here there's 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then we can use this prefix counting to calculate in a given subarray how many number of target are in there by a subtraction, which is number from here minus the number from here, or say a b minus a. So again, so we're gonna 4, then 4 to go through all the subarrays, then check if the difference is greater than half of the length of that subarray. That will be the one we are looking for.